When we first start in jewelry, we need to set up attributes according to the way we want to customize it. So in the jewelry, go into the jewelry section, and then before we start putting any jewelry in, we have to make sure in the jewelry attributes that we have all the metals that we want, and you just type in whatever metal you want. Let's say if you want let's say 22 karat, and just simply save it. Okay, and you can keep on adding as much as you want, and just ignore the polygon and the prime description, all that. Just enter the metal just the way I've done it. Okay, so whatever you do there will be in the drop down here for metal. So you're basically customizing the drop down, so they'll be available to you when you enter the style, the piece of jewelry. Okay, the next thing we're going to skip metal type. We're going to go to group, and group is kind of an umbrella category. It's a ring, earring, pendants, necklace, what have you. Okay, there's not much more than what's already here, so you can add, let's say if you want to add cufflinks, you can do that. And save, okay, and close. Alright, so then that would be here, okay, in the drop down. Okay, under the group there is something called category. I'm just going to scroll all the way down to show you that we have the group, right? For example, a ring or a bracelet or a pin or an earring. So let's say I have earrings, I have hoops, and save. Okay, again, you can add as many categories under the group as you like. Okay, so in the next drop down would be the subcategory. So let's say if you have insert hoops, okay, we can go. There's a lot of one second, let me find it. There's hoops, and I can say round, for example, meaning round hoops. You can have oval hoops, round hoops, etc. Okay, so you have the ability to go 3 steps down. So you have group, let's say earrings, then what kind of earrings, hoop, and then what kind of hoop, round hoop. Again, you can also add here as much as you want. Okay, for it to take, we have to refresh the page. Okay, and now just to illustrate, we're going to go to earring, and it's going to say hoops, and then it'll say round. Okay, and the metal that we selected, 22 karat, whatever. Alright, we'll go over how to enter a piece of jewelry in a later video, but right now let's go on with setting it up. Okay, so stone type, exactly what it is, you can just insert and write into stone type. You don't need to put the description, you can just put in here the code, and that would be enough. And you can add as many stones as you like, you can add. Okay, then the rest of it is pretty much self-explanatory. We have stone shapes, right? Then we have stone clarity, or color rather. Color is here, we just did color. Okay, so we're going to go to clarity. Again, you can add as many as you want, but this is a text field, so some people put in clarity, let's say A, then AA or AAA, not to use the regular diamond qualities. You can also put color quality in here as well, whatever that means to you. Okay. Next thing, we're going to skip size setup, stone price setup, we're going to skip that. And labor, we're going to go, because we do have job bags and we do send out for repairs or production or samples, whatever. So here we can clock in all the different type of charges, labor charges for your contractor. Okay, so you have 30 setting for 30 cents, polish for $5, CAD is $150. Again, this is just setup of all the different labor charges that you will incur through your usage of the program. And this I'll show you how it works in a future video. But just right now, I can just show you here, when you click on a piece, you can select the labor. It was 30 cents. And let's say I have 6 stones, so I would put here 6, and it will calculate the labor. Alright, so that's how we do this. Okay. Alright, let's see. The next thing I'm going to set up in the jewel attributes, the job type, which is what kind of a job bag is it. We have job bags here. So what is it? Is it a repair? Is it a sample? Is it a production? Is it watches, or really anything you want to call it? Okay. Next thing is the contractors. Right here we put in all the different contractors. This is outside vendors who do your contracting that are not in-house. In other words, we create memos for them and give them our job envelopes on a memo. Okay, I think all this we can skip for now. In the next video, I will show you how to actually enter a piece of jewelry.